If it was football, sacking would be the most normal things. Managers especially are sacked at any time provided results are not there. But recently some strange yet predicted things struck MotoGP paddock. Maverick Vinales and Yamaha mutually agreed to cancel their 2021 contract mid-season after whatever happened in Austria. The general assumption is that Vinales over-revved the engine at Styrian Grand Prix, which led to impede the performance of bike, and it may cause possible harmness to the bike and all the drivers. After all that, in the end, there were some political formal thanksgiving between two parties, but this is where things get interesting. What must have happened so that Vinales showed such frustration, and Yamaha ultimately had to sack him? Again, why Yamaha did sack Vinales knowing that they would be weak without him to compete for the Constructors' Championship? Well, there are lots of things more than just winnings. It is true that you love to win everything, but winning with grace and humility is the sweetest one. Yamaha are one of the giants of motorsport and of all the world. They are pouring hundreds of millions of dollars to bring these two bikes on circuit. The racing team especially had to convince the owners, sponsors and all the belongings that they will compete and win all the things there are to win. They are trying to stay at top by maintaining that images. If you are one of the successful constructors, this can lead to worldwide fame, and Yamaha are too famous. But here is Mr. Vinales, who is trying to sabotage his own weapon, the machine that gave him everything throughout his life. He is trying to rip the heart of that machine. This is an absolute betrayal from him, and no wonder he is sacked right after. This is just not about deliberately destroying the machine. This is about trying to betray your own team, trying to show arrogance as a form of frustration, trying to damage the image of a team. You simply can't just get away from these kinds of behavior. Whenever these kind of things happen, this is way beyond acceptance. Sorry is not the answer. Yeah, and in all honesty, I think Yamaha did well for the sake of their own rights. In all honesty, whatever Vinales did was an absolute disgraceful to Yamaha. That's why he was sacked. And for that, I simply was not surprised at all. Frustration is the part and parcel of life. Yeah, it can lead to do something unusual, but deliberately trying to harm something is not frustration. It is a display of arrogance. If you are frustrated, then go crack your helmet. Yeah, go punch the old tires and even tear your jackets. But you were trying to kill the heart of your machine, Mr. Vinales. Alright, that bike which has given him everything in his life, he is trying to kill that. This is just a bitter unprofessionalism from Mr. Maverick Vinales. This is what happens when you take privilege for granted. Yeah, this is just not acceptable. Yeah, this is just unacceptable from Vinales. Well, I think the time is up for the video. Thank you very much for watching this video, and please pass me an honest opinion about this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.